Hey everyone, welcome to Astha's Makeup Closet where we wake up makeup for 30 and up. You must be wondering, why am I in grayscale? Well, today's tutorial is about how to look absolutely flawless and absolutely stunning in black and white pictures. You know, we have so much gray in our lives that might as well have a little grayscale in our pictures as well. So if you want to know what makeup techniques you can employ to make yourself look absolutely stunning in black and white pictures, keep on watching. So guys, this is the finished look, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I had a lot of fun creating this look for you. I know it looks a little scary in color, but as in grayscale you can see how how what the results are and how amazing it looks. And I hope you would be able to recreate something like this and have a lot many black and white pictures coming up. So I think that's what I can say about this. And if you do like my content, please like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. I upload every Tuesday and Thursdays at 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time, and your support means the world to me. So stay safe, everyone. Bye bye.